Ever thought that something as healthy as fruit could actually cause problems, especially as you get older? We've all grown up hearing that fruit is nature's candy, packed with vitamins and antioxidants. And while that's true, there's a hidden side to the story. Once you hit 60, your body starts to work a little differently. Your metabolism slows down, digestion isn't quite what it used to be, and blood sugar levels become harder to manage. That means some fruits, though perfectly fine for younger folks, can be a bit risky for seniors. We're talking high sugar spikes, uncomfortable acid reflux, or even bad reactions with certain medications. It doesn't mean you have to give up fruit altogether, but it does mean you need to know which ones to watch out for. But here's the good news. Nature also gives us powerful fruits that can actually help us as we age. Some support your heart, calm inflammation, boost your memory, and even strengthen your bones. And today I'm going to show you exactly which fruits to avoid and which ones your body will thank you for. After spending years studying how our bodies change with age, I've narrowed it down to 4 fruits you should skip and 4 you should absolutely be eating. Your health matters, and it's never too late to make smart choices. So let's jump right in. And hey, if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that button, and don't forget to turn on the bell so you never miss a health tip made just for you. If you're enjoying this already, type 1 in the comments. If not, type 0 and let me know how I can improve. Let's talk about the first fruit you might want to skip, grapefruit. It looks healthy, right? That bright pink color, the refreshing taste. It even has a reputation for being heart-friendly. But if you're over 60 and taking prescription meds, grapefruit could quietly be working against you. Here's why. Grapefruit contains a natural compound that blocks an important liver enzyme called CYP3A4. That enzyme helps your body break down many common medications, especially those for blood pressure, cholesterol, and anxiety. When it's blocked, those meds can build up to dangerous levels in your system without you even knowing it. So while grapefruit might seem like a smart choice, for many seniors, it's actually a silent threat. When that liver enzyme gets blocked, your medications can build up in your system, like water behind a dam with nowhere to go. And the results can be dangerous. We're talking serious side effects, muscle damage from cholesterol meds, dangerous heart rhythms, heavy bleeding from blood thinners, or feeling way too sedated from anxiety meds. These aren't small issues, they can be life-threatening. The scary part, most seniors have no idea. They eat grapefruit with breakfast, take their meds afterward, and never make the connection. Some end up in the ER without warning, and sadly, some don't make it. It's a harsh reminder that not everything healthy is safe, especially when you're on medication. Now, this isn't about scaring you, it's about being smart. Grapefruit isn't evil, but if you're one of the 70% of Americans over 65 taking medications, it's just not worth the risk. Why gamble with your heart, liver, or life when there are safer fruits out there? And if a fruit as bright and cheerful as grapefruit can hide danger, it makes you wonder what other fruits might be doing the same. The next one is small, sweet, and easy to love. But if you eat too much of it, it can turn toxic in ways most people don't realize. If you're still with me and finding this helpful, drop a 1 in the comments so I know you're here. Let's move on to fruit number 2, cherries. Sweet, juicy, and full of summer memories. Whether it's fresh cherries at a picnic or the smell of cherry pie cooling on the counter, they seem harmless, even nostalgic. But here's the catch. As we get older, our bodies don't handle sugar the way they used to. Cherries, especially when eaten in large amounts or in forms like juice, dried fruit, or syrup, pack a serious sugar punch. Just 1 cup of sweet cherries has nearly 20 grams of sugar. For younger folks, that might not be a big deal. But if you're over 60, and especially if you have type 2 diabetes, pre-diabetes, or insulin resistance, that sugar can hit hard. It can spike your blood sugar fast, leading to fatigue, brain fog, and even long-term damage to your organs. So while cherries might taste like a treat, they can quietly take a toll on your health if you're not careful. But it's not just the sugar in cherries that's a problem. The acidity is another hidden issue. For older adults dealing with joint pain, arthritis, or inflammation, that natural acidity can make things worse, not better. Yes, cherries do have antioxidants, but when you eat too many, especially in processed forms like juice or syrup, the sugar and acid combo can backfire. What you thought might help your body heal could actually be adding to your discomfort. That stiff knee on your morning walk, that sudden blood sugar crash, that restless night because your joints are swollen, it could all trace back to that innocent bowl of cherries. It's tough because cherries feel safe. But the truth is, as we age, even the sweet things deserve a second look. And if these tiny fruits can throw your system off like that, just wait until we talk about what happens when your potassium levels go off the rails, thanks to a fruit many seniors eat every single day without even thinking twice. Bananas have always seemed like the perfect health snack, easy to eat, packed with potassium and great for energy. We've been told they help with muscle cramps and support heart health. And for younger bodies, that's mostly true. But as we age, things change. Our kidneys slow down and our bodies don't flush out excess nutrients like they used to. That's where bananas can quietly become a problem. They're high in potassium, and for seniors, especially those with kidney issues, heart problems, or on certain meds like ACE inhibitors or potassium-sparing diuretics, that extra potassium can build up fast. When it does, it can throw off your heart rhythm, mess with muscle control, and even affect your thinking. It's called hyperkalemia, and it's more common and more dangerous than people realize. It doesn't take a dozen bananas to cause trouble. Just a few too many in a week can push your levels too high and send you straight to the ER. So while bananas may seem harmless, for seniors, they can be a silent risk. You might feel your heart flutter, your legs go weak, or just a strange sense that something's not right. But by the time these signs show up, the damage could already be happening. That innocent banana, meant to fuel your body, might actually be robbing you of balance and even a steady heartbeat. Most seniors never suspect the banana. It feels too basic, too healthy to be a problem. But the truth is, when your body becomes more sensitive with age, even simple things can have big effects. So next time you reach for one, pause and ask, is this what my body truly needs, or just what I've always assumed was good? Because sometimes it's not the obvious dangers that get us, it's the ones hiding in plain sight. And that leads us to our next fruit. It looks like a snack, feels like a treat, but is actually a sugar-loaded trap pretending to be healthy. Let's talk about it. Dried fruits, like raisins, dates, apricots, and cranberries, look like a healthy snack. They show up in trail mixes, sit next to oatmeal, and are even offered in doctors' offices as a better option. But for seniors, these shriveled treats can be anything but safe. Here's the catch. When fruit is dried, all the water is removed, but the sugar stays behind and gets packed into every tiny bite. That small handful of raisins, it's like eating a whole bunch of grapes, minus the fiber and hydration, but with all the sugar concentrated. It might look like a smart snack, but it's really a sugar bomb in disguise. And it gets worse. Many dried fruits on store shelves aren't just naturally sweet. They're often coated with extra sugar or preserved with chemicals like sulfites. These additives can trigger asthma, migraines, or gut inflammation, especially in seniors with sensitive systems. If you're living with type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, or digestive issues, these tiny snacks can quietly cause big problems. Blood sugar spikes, bloating, and sleep disruptions sneak in while you think you're eating something healthy. And the cost? It's the daily wear and tear from a snack you thought was doing good. It's that spike in glucose that stresses your heart, the stomach discomfort that ruins your night, and the crash that follows your sweet fix. All from something that looked innocent in a plastic pouch. Dried fruit might look like a healthy choice, but for many older adults, it quietly steals comfort, balance, and blood sugar control over time. That's why we have to look beyond the sweet taste and question what's been packaged and processed to appear healthy when it's actually doing harm. But here's the good news. Not all fruit is the enemy. In fact, some fresh, whole fruits can be powerful allies for your health. They can boost your energy, protect your heart, support your memory, and help you feel steady and strong, no matter your age. So let's shift gears. It's time to talk about the fruits you should be eating each week, starting with one tiny blue gem that just might help protect your memory. Let's kick off the must-eat list with a small but mighty fruit, blueberries. They may be tiny and unassuming, but blueberries pack a powerful punch for your brain, especially as you get older. When memory starts to fade and focus feels harder to hold on to, these little berries bring real hope. Science backs it up. What you eat really does affect how well you think, remember, and even feel. And when it comes to brain health, blueberries consistently come out on top. They're like nature's little brain protectors, quietly working to keep your mind sharp as the years go by. Blueberries owe their deep blue color to powerful compounds called anthocyanins. But these aren't just for show, they're like tiny guardians that cross into your brain, calming inflammation, helping brain cells talk to each other better, and protecting against the damage that steals memory and thinking skills over time. Eating blueberries regularly has been linked to slower memory loss, sharper decision making, and even a lower chance of developing Alzheimer's. For anyone over 60, that's huge. It means more time to remember loved ones, clearer mornings, and greater independence when you need it most. Blueberries aren't just tasty, they're a real brain boost. Blueberries aren't just brain food, they're heart heroes too. They help keep your blood pressure steady, support a healthy heart, and because they're low in sugar, they're great for diabetics and anyone watching their sugar intake. Just half a cup a day, tossed into yogurt, oatmeal, or eaten plain, can make a real difference. In a world full of pills, it's easy to forget some of the best medicine comes straight from nature. Blueberries don't just feed your body, they protect and preserve your most important asset, your mind. And if these little blueberries can boost your memory, wait until you hear about the next fruit. A crisp, fiber-rich apple that can do wonders for your heart and might just keep the doctor away. Let's talk apples, the classic fruit with a powerful punch for your heart. You've heard the saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. And it's true, especially for those of us over 60. As our hearts need more care and our digestion gets a bit more sensitive, apples step in with some serious benefits. They're packed with soluble fiber called pectin, which helps grab on to bad cholesterol in your gut and flush it out before it can harm your body. For seniors, this means apples can lower LDL cholesterol and reduce the risk of heart attacks and strokes without adding more pills to your daily routine. Apples are low in calories and sugar, making them a perfect snack to help keep blood sugar steady and support a healthy weight, both super important for your heart and joints as you age. But the benefits don't stop there. The fiber in apples keeps your digestive system moving smoothly, fighting off constipation, which can become a real headache later in life. Plus, the antioxidants in the skin, like quercetin and flavonoids, fight inflammation and may lower the risk of some cancers and brain diseases. And beyond all that health stuff, apples carry a sense of comfort. They remind us of fall harvests, homemade pies, and the simple joy of biting into something crisp on a cool day. They nourish both body and soul. One simple fruit can quietly change your health in big ways. That's why an apple a day isn't just a saying, it really works. It gives your body what it needs and helps protect you from what it doesn't. If the apple is your heart's silent guardian, then next up is a fruit that feeds your bones, brain, and skin all at once. It's creamy, rich, and often misunderstood. Yep, I'm talking about the avocado. Let's dive in. Avocados might not be flashy or sweet like other fruits, but for those of us over 60, they're pure gold. This creamy green fruit isn't just food, it's fuel for staying strong, sharp, and healthy as we age. Packed with heart-friendly monounsaturated fats, avocados don't clog your arteries. Instead, they protect your heart, nourish your brain, and lower bad cholesterol. They also fight inflammation all over your body, which can ease joint pain and help you move more comfortably. For seniors dealing with heart issues or wanting to prevent them, avocados can be a total game changer. But the benefits don't stop there. They're packed with vitamin K, which is key for strong bones and helping prevent fractures. Something we might not think about until a fall reminds us how important it is. Plus, avocados provide folate and potassium, which help keep blood pressure in check, boost circulation, and lower the risk of stroke. And don't forget lutein, a powerful antioxidant that protects your eyes from macular degeneration and age-related vision loss. Avocados truly support your whole body as you age. Beyond all the science, avocados bring a feeling of richness, not just in their creamy texture, but in how they make us feel. Whether it's a few slices on whole grain toast or a spoonful alongside fresh greens, it feels like real nourishment, not a diet restriction. At a time when so many foods seem off limits, the avocado quietly says, I'm here to help, not harm. While others chase trendy or exotic superfruits, this green gem delivers steady, deep benefits. And if avocados boost your bones and brighten your mind, just wait until you hear about a fruit that soothes digestion and calms inflammation, especially in those achy joints. Let's dive into the healing power of papaya. In a world full of antacids, joint creams, and endless supplements, it's easy to overlook the simple power of nature. Papaya, with its soft, golden flesh and sweet tropical flavor, is more than just a tasty treat. It's a natural healer, especially for seniors. As we get older, digestion can get tricky. Foods that once felt easy to digest might now cause bloating, discomfort, or reflux. That's where papaya shines. It's packed with papain, a natural enzyme that helps break down proteins gently, making digestion smoother and easier on your body. For seniors dealing with slow digestion, irregularity, or the side effects of long-term medications, papaya isn't just comforting, it's genuinely relieving. Beyond helping your stomach, papaya is packed with vitamins C, A, and E. These nutrients boost your immune system, protect your skin, and fight inflammation, which is a major cause of arthritis, heart disease, and other chronic conditions. If joint stiffness, swelling, or weak immunity slow you down, papaya quietly works behind the scenes to bring your body back into balance and reduce hidden damage every day. It's smooth, mild, and easy to enjoy. No cooking or fuss required. Just a few slices daily can make a big difference, supporting your health from the inside out. Papaya is more than just food. It's a gentle reminder that real healing often comes straight from nature, not from a bottle or a quick fix. It's nature's gift, wrapped and ready to help those who choose wellness over shortcuts. Now that we've uncovered the fruits that boost your brain, protect your heart, strengthen your bones, and ease digestion, the big question is, how do you combine them into a simple daily routine? How can these powerful choices come together to protect your health, one delicious bite at a time? Let's find out next. Exactly. Your health truly is in your hands, one bite at a time. As we journey through life's later chapters, the simple choices we make at the grocery store or the kitchen counter start to mean everything. The foods that once felt harmless can now either weigh us down or lift us up. But here's the beautiful part. It's never too late to shift the balance. You don't need to overhaul your entire diet overnight or give up all your favorite flavors. Sometimes it's just about swapping one small thing for a smarter option. A handful of fresh blueberries instead of sugary dried fruit. An apple to curb your hunger instead of a processed snack. Creamy avocado to nourish your heart, and sweet papaya to calm your digestion. All easy, delicious steps toward a stronger, healthier you. Your body deserves this care, and every mindful bite is a chance to protect your future and feel better today. Absolutely. Those small, thoughtful choices add up to something truly powerful. They build a stronger heart, a sharper mind, more flexible joints, smoother digestion, and above all, a deep sense of control over your own health. That's a gift you absolutely deserve to protect. And yes, it takes wisdom and grace to recognize that not every food that once served us well will continue to do so as we age. Grapefruit, bananas, cherries, dried fruits, they're not villains. They're just fruits that ask for caution, a little respect for how they interact with our unique bodies and the medications we rely on. Mindfulness around food isn't about fear, it's about maturity. It's honoring the incredible vessel that has carried you through life's ups and downs. So instead of focusing on what's off limits, celebrate all the nourishing, healing foods still within reach. Nature's pantry is overflowing with gifts. All it takes is the intention to choose them. Bite by bite. Whether you're 60, 70, 80, or beyond, know this: your health isn't behind you. It's here, right now, in every meal, every choice you make. The fruits you welcome into your life can be more than just food. They can be your partners in longevity, your protectors, and your daily act of self-respect. When you care for your body with knowledge and love, you don't just add years to your life, you add life to your years. Because you deserve to age with strength, dignity, and joy, one mindful bite at a time. These lessons are here to inspire you to live fully and authentically. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Take a moment to reflect and share one thing you've learned and plan to use in your own life. Let's support each other as we embrace these truths together. If you enjoyed this video, please drop a 1 in the comments. If not, feel free to leave a 0. Your feedback really matters to us. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and here's to living life on your own terms.